Welcome. Today, we're exploring a teaching methodology for engaging students actively in learning about climate change. We'll emphasize understanding students' feelings on this topic and aim to create a safe space for open discussions and positive actions to address climate change, even though we may not have all the answers as educators. Now, as we proceed, let's keep in mind these guiding points. Student-centered approach. Engage students in concrete learning experiences, making their education a continuous process of acquiring knowledge connected to personal experiences. Knowing the objectives. Share lesson objectives with students up front, empowering them to navigate their learning journey. Encourage them to analyze articles on flooding disasters, investigate vulnerable areas affected by climate change, explore the science behind climate change and floods, and learn from past civilizations' flood solutions. Teaching is a dynamic journey with unexpected twists. Teachers should adapt and redirect when necessary to achieve common objectives. Let's create a cozy classroom space that inspires students both mentally and physically, even with limited resources. Incorporate preparatory activities to encourage exploration of climate change topics through research, discussion, and investigation. Additionally, promote the use of visual aids like infographics, charts, and videos to convey complex scientific concepts effectively and engage students visually. Propose practical activities. Here are some ideas. Interview people exposed to flood dangers. Survey local residents' awareness of flood risks. Create a story or article about a flood-related case. Explore the school's geographic location and its vulnerability. Design artistic or scientific graphics illustrating the climate-flood connection. Develop a theatrical plot, song, podcast, or video. Congratulations, teachers! Empower students to address climate change.